Good morning children, my name is Nazia Nurkader. Today I am going to take Science of Class 1, Chapter 8, Lecture 1. So, student, Chapter 8 is Safety First. Alright? What do you mean by safety? Safety means to stay away from danger. You have to be safe. As you have already, in the previous class I have taught you food. It is very important. So you have food is necessary. So as safety is also necessary. You have to keep in mind that you should be always healthy and safe. So safety means to stay away from danger. There are three safety where you have to be safe. You should be safe at home, on the road, at school. Alright, I will be explaining one by one. At home, some safety rules should be followed. So, we should never play with sharp objects. What children? We should never play with sharp objects. Sharp objects are like knife, scissors. We are not supposed to play with sharp object because it will harm you. Okay, we should keep the bathroom floor dry. You should keep the bathroom floor dry. Why? You might fall down and you might get hurt. Alright. And the third point is we should never play with electric switches. We might get a shock. So we are not supposed to play with electric wires. From small children do play with, wants to play with electric things. So we are not supposed to play with that. So you might get hurt. You might get a shock. Okay, we should never light matchsticks. Matchstick. We should also not play with matchsticks. Children likes to play with matchsticks. So it is harmful to you. We must always light crackers in the presence of an adult. At the time of festivals, we all light crackers. So we should follow in the presence of your adult, in the presence of your family member, you should light the crackers, and you have to keep yourself safe too. So in front of your parents you should light crackers. We must not climb shelves to reach out for objects. We should ask our elders to do so for us. Sometimes your mother will ask you to go and bring this from the kitchen. So you should follow that. If you are not, your hand is not reaching to the top, so you are not supposed to, because you might fall down and you will get hurt. So you should ask our elders to do so. Alright. So the next point is on the road, where you have to be very safe. While walking on the road, you should have to remain safe. So how you should walk? We must always walk on the footpath. While walking on the road, why? All the vehicles, cars, buses do follow. So you should always walk on the footpath. Next point is walk on the left side of the road. If there is no footpath, so you always walk on the which side of the road, children? Left side of the road. Third point is we should never play on the road. We should never play on because you will get hurt or you met with an accident. You might met with an accident. So we should never play on the road. We should obey the traffic rules. Children, we have to obey the traffic rules. Everywhere you have to maintain or obey the rules. You have to obey the rules in schools, at home. Alright, so we should also obey the traffic rules where you have seen in the footpath, the three lights. What are they? Traffic rules: red, yellow, green. So red light means stop. Means when the vehicle is coming, if the red light shows, so the vehicles will stop. Understood? And if yellow light means to start, the cars and buses will start. The vehicle starts, means to get ready. Yellow light means to start, and the last is the green light, means go. If the green light is on, the vehicles passes. Alright. So I hope you have understood at home and on the roadside. So the next point is at school. Okay, at school you also have to be safe. Why? Because there are some points I have written down. So we should not run up and down the stairs. So we should not run down the stairs up and down. You all children do, obviously. So we should not push each other. We must never push each other on the stairs. Why? We should not push each other's. Don't run on the stairs. Walk slowly. We must never push each other on the stairs because you might fall down. You should not get in or get off the moving bus. So while the bus is moving, so you should not catch the bus if it's moving, or you are getting down from the bus when the bus is moving. All right. So we should board a bus in queue. So we should always board a bus in a queue. Queue means in a line. Alright, and the last point is we should not lean out of the window of any moving vehicles. If you are going somewhere out in a bus or a car, in a moving bus or in a moving car, so you should not peep outside the window while the bus or car is moving. So, alright. So I hope children you have all understood the safety first, what is it, and I hope you like the chapter 2. So thank you.